What is up guys, welcome to our channel UTech. In this video we are going to see that what are the updates in the Leeko phone's music player. The video is going to be very interesting, so don't miss a single second and watch the video till the end. Now here when we enter the music app, we can see that the interface of the music app is totally new, and when we slide towards the right and we go to the Me section, it is very elegant and it is very interesting, and we will talk about it in detail, so stay tuned. Now here in the local music, all the music you have got it from any sources will appear here, and moving towards the local MV, here all the music videos which you have in your device will appear here. Next what we get here is the download manager. All the music which you will download from the LeeTV music player app, all the downloads will be shown here, and we'll see it later how can you download the music from the app. Next we'll talk about is the my favorites. Whenever you listen a song and you favorite it, all the favorited songs will be shown up here, and it is like a playlist, so you can access all your favorite songs here. Moving ahead, we get the following. Here all the artists which you will follow will be shown up here. So here we end up with the options in the Me, and now we will see that what are the options we get when you play a music. So I'll quickly search for a song and let's play a song and get to know all the features of it. So I've choose a song and let's get to know about its all features. So first thing we get to know is the interface. The interface is same, but the new option added is the lyrics. As you can see that lyrics has been added, and many people were waiting for the lyrics when it will be updated, and now here we get the lyrics, and we will talk it in the detail. So as we all can see here that when we play the song, as the song gets played, the lyrics gets highlighted, and it's an awesome feature. Many times it happens that when you play the song, the lyrics don't get highlighted. Many people were having the problem of lyrics not getting highlighted, so the problem is solved now, and when you can jump to the lyrics and the song also just by clicking the play button on the right side of the lyrics. The main thing is that if you want to get the same music player, you just need to change the region to the mainland China. To change the region, just go to input and method, and just select the region option and change your region to mainland China. It will be default India, so just change it and you'll get the same music player. So moving ahead, we will see what have been updated in the settings menu. So let's go to the settings, and as we can see here in the settings, many things have been changed, like many tabs have been added, many options have been added, like emoji store have been added, LeeCloud have been added, order history, my community, my updates, and my messages have been added. I think LeeCloud was there, so many other things have been added. In the settings you get the online playback quality, and download audio quality, means the quality which you will select here will be played when you hear the songs online. Now here when you play any song, you get three dots on the upper right corner of the screen, and you will get, when you click on that, you will get some options. So here we will talk that what are the options and how can we access them, or how can we use them. Now here stream to TV is for the Leeko TV users, which means if you have the Leeko smart TV, then you can directly access your songs, or you can play the songs on the TV screen of the Leeko devices. The next which comes up here is the view artist. Whenever you play a song and if the name of the artist is present there, you can directly access other songs sang by the same artist, and it is again an amazing feature which is added. The next is the very basic feature which is available in every smartphone, and it is add to playlist. The next feature is pretty similar to the feature which we have discussed earlier, and it is view album. You can access other songs also which is available in the same album, and it is also a cool feature, and it is I think it is available just in the Leeko devices. There is also a comment option given here, which means if you have heard a song and you want to comment on it, you can just comment, and which other people which will also hear the song will get to know about your review or your comment. Moving ahead, when you open that the options section, you can get the slider, the music's volume slider, so you can just adjust the volume of music easily. And near to it we get the night mode. So when you click the night mode, the theme will change to the black, means the background will get totally black and reduce the stress on your eyes. So guys, that is it for the video. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button below, and please support us by subscribing to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you will never miss any notification about our channel.
It's different now.